Listen and repeat.
English words starting with the letter J. Jam, jam. Jaw, jaw. Jar, jar. Jail, jail. Jazz, jazz. Japan, Japan. Japanese, Japanese. Jacket, jacket. Janitor, janitor. Jasmine, jasmine. Jaundice, jaundice. Jet lag, jet lag. Jewel, jewel. Jewelry, jewelry. Jeweler, jeweler. Jelly, jelly. Jealous, jealous. Jealousy, jealousy. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Jew, Jew. Jewish, Jewish. Job, job. Jobless, jobless. Joy, joy. Joyful, joyful. Join, join. Joke, joke. Joint, joint. Journal, journal. Journalist, journalist. Journalism, journalism. Journey, journey. Jogging, jogging. Just, just. Justice, justice. Jump, jump. Jury, jury. Junk, junk. Judo, judo. Judge, judge. Judgment, judgment. Judgmental, judgmental. Juice, juice. Juicy, juicy. Jungle, jungle. Justify, justify. Justification, justification. Junction, junction. Juvenile, juvenile. Please bring me my jacket. Please bring me my jacket. I work as a journalist. I work as a journalist. You should respect the judge in the court. You should respect the judge in the court. Tell me a good joke. Tell me a good joke. Give me a piece of jelly. Give me a piece of jelly. If you keep doing this, you will go to jail. If you keep doing this, you will go to jail. Have you ever been to Japan? Have you ever been to Japan? Life is a journey and we should enjoy it. Life is a journey and we should enjoy it. Do you have a job? Do you have a job? I have been jobless for 3 months. I have been jobless for 3 months. I injured my knee joint while playing. I injured my knee joint while playing. I love orange juice. I love orange juice.